So hello everyone, this is James Paul Dokal Dokal. So this is my activity in map integration. Well, this is this is my layout. At the right side of the screen, you can see my demo app. Yeah, and here this is my in this code activity map.xml. This is my layout, and you have two buttons for map type to change the type of the map, and you have the text view of the coordinates, and we also fragment for our search bar, and then fragment for the map. So here in our map activity, so this is our code and map activity. But firstly, we will go to our Android manifest. So this is our your permissions that you will use, the access find location, access course location, and also we have the permission and internet. So firstly, so the find and course location have are different. So the access find location gives you the precise location, while access course location gives you the approximate location, which is the course is like a network level and find is like a GPS level. So in our application code, side of the application, we have this metadata. This is a string Google map key. So this is the storage of our API key. So we make it privacy because this is the API key is important. Should not give it to the others. So in our map activity, so we use also we have this location permission request code, right? So we have this code in the bottom, which is the location permission, which is the permission. So why should we add, and also we have this one. So why should we add the permission at the runtime? So this code. So well, this is ensures that users have control over what apps data can access instead of granting everything at all at install time. So that's why we have this code, and also so in line by line. So we have this Google Map, and then we have this Fuse location provider client. So we have two usage of this class. We have this one to get Fuse location provider client, and also we have also this one the get we need to get our last location, which is our current location. So Fuse location provider client is a part of Google's location services API that provides the most accurate and efficient location update. So it will give you the most accurate and efficient. Yes, that's and it also to save battery, improves accuracy, and it will simplify your code. So inside in our get locus location, we have our latitude and longitude, right? So and then we have latitude and longitude, and then we have this latlang current location. So latlang is a class in the Google Maps API that represents geographical coordinates. So we have also latitude and longitude. So and we have also this one. And we have also this code, the add marker. So this add marker. So this is how we will add mark in a Google Maps integration. So that is basically you need how you will add marker. Just pass these arguments. Just call the method and pass these arguments. Then I also use that in this above code. This is where this is it, the default location, and yeah, and then so how do I move the camera? So to move the camera, we have this code move camera. right? So move camera. So in my also in when we get our current location, then we have this animate camera. It will animate going to your current location, right? Yep. And then also we have this code init complete. These were used in the search autocomplete for using the Google Services API. It's have the code, so this is just autocomplete where you can search, and then as you can see there, autocomplete fragment. This is the layout in our activity map, which is this one. Then we have this set place field. Then this when we search, as you can see on my demo, when we search you have a Google like search, right? Then as you can see also when we search it will have that it have a toast that says distance, so it will calculate the distance between in my current location and the search selected location, which is our search location. So we had this method, so to calculate distance, so it was in the below of this one. So this is method. So we use location dot distance between. So this distance between returns a meter, like a meter from a straight line. And then in my code, I I make I I make it as kilometer so that it will not have lot of numbers. So that's why I use this distance kilometer. And so what happens now? Because I will answer two more questions in the assignment. So what happens if location permission is denied? So the app cannot access the location data, such as you're not turning on your location features depending on location. So you should handle it gracefully so that it will work. You need to turn on your location so that it will work. So you can see it on my demo. It's the first one. So how do you enable zoom controls on the map? So to enable the zoom controls on the map, we use the UI settings, right? So it was on my this one. So in Ready, so get UI settings, set zoom controls enabled to true, and then set zoom gestures enabled to true. So that this is how, and it is my code, and it have 254 lines of code. I just do it in my one file, so you can see in my Java folders. So I think that's it. Box.